Hey guys, I have been making cheese and decided to go ahead and do a quick video. I'm starting out with a half gallon of milk and I'm just bringing it up to 120 degrees. Alright, so we're starting out right now. We're at 70 and climbing. I won't make you watch me stir milk and get it up to 120. Almost there. It needs to be between 115 and 120. I always shoot for the 120 because when I put the vinegar in, I do know it's going to lose some heat. So we'll keep an eye on that. Alright, we're at 120 and in comes half cup of vinegar. We'll take another temperature reading. Okay, we're pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat. You can see the changes taking place. You can see the cheese is coming out, leaving this translucent whey. Okay, it looks good. Now we want to put the lid on. We want to let it rest for 5 minutes. I'll see you back here. All right. Now we want to push all that cheese off to the side. You can also just, really wash your hands good. You don't have to use gloves. I want to continue to get some whey out of there. Okay, and now I'm going to put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. We're going to try to get the temperature of the cheese up to 160. It will release some more whey. Take a quick temperature. We're at 129. So we're going to go back into the microwave again for about 25 to 30 seconds. You don't want to leave it in too long. You can see there's a little bit of whey. Let's take a temperature reading. We're at 144. Let's go ahead and fold it a few times. Okay. Check it one more time. Yeah, we need to go back in. I would say 15 more seconds at this point because we're so close. I like to give it a couple of folds just to make sure that the temperature is throughout and not just have a hot spot. $159.6. So we're going to call that. Alright, now we're going to take it in our hands. And it is hot. really getting, has some bounce to it now. You can see. That's what we want. Pretty. Okay, now I have some cold water. There's a little ice left in it, but not much from the other batches. So what I'm going to do now, you can see how smooth it's gotten. I got a good stretch. So I'm going to go ahead and immerse it in the ice water. Just for a few minutes. Alright, I'm going to take it out of the water. Just give it a little squeeze. Now I'm going to wrap this in saran wrap. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. At that point, it will be ready to either grate or slice, or if you want to just store it in some way in a container, just a little bit of whey. You know, like when you buy it at the grocery store and it's submerged in liquid, that liquid is a little bit of whey. So I'll bring you back when we're ready to slice it. One thing I failed to tell you was toward the end of the process where it's going in the microwave and coming out and I'm kneading it, that's when you can add salt if you would like to. I didn't add salt, but I did want to let you know that would be the point. You would start working the salt in if you would like. Okay, look at this yummy soft cheese. Very good. I think next time I will add salt. But I was making this for a pizza that I'm going to make tomorrow. So I thought salt's no big deal because I'll have all those other ingredients on the pizza. But you saw how easy it was. I have an idea. Let's weigh it and see how much cheese it made out of that half gallon of milk. Okay, I changed it from kilograms to pounds. It made 9.5 ounces. Yep, 9.5. Okay, so if you happen to see that your milk wasn't used up and you're getting near the end date, that might be a good time to try this instead of letting your milk spoil. Now, I have heard you can take the whey and use it in place of water in recipes. I haven't done that. That's just something that I had heard. I've heard you can use it to make ricotta cheese. So that might be something I'll look at in the future, but just for a quick mozzarella, you know, I enjoy making it. So anyway, just wanted to bring you guys along. I didn't know if you had ever done this before. If you have, leave a comment. Let me know if you did anything different, or if you salt your mozzarella and things like that. Okay, so you guys have a great day. Bye.